What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color the letter Z from alphabet lore. Let's begin this lesson on the top left side of our page with the eye. We're going to start with the top edge. Starting from the outside, curve this up, and then we'll bend that down. Let's round out the side of the eye. Starting back on the left, curve this out, and then back in towards the bottom. Go to the right, go in the opposite direction, and then in toward the same height. Now let's close off the bottom of the eye with a curve. Bring it down and then up. Let's draw the upper eyelid. Starting on the left side of the eye, bend this in and then go up towards the top. Let's tuck the pupil underneath the eyelid. Starting along the bottom, bend this down and then up. Round out the side, go up towards the top, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Let's curve the lower eyelid. Starting back on the left, go up just underneath the pupil, and then back down. Let's take that same eye, flip it over, and bring it down towards the bottom. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, come all the way down, and I start on the right side, curve the eye going up, and then down. Let's round out the side of the eyes. And then we'll curve the bottom. I want to draw that same eyelid in the opposite direction. So starting on the top left, bend this down, and then out. Let's go back up to the top, curve the pupil, coming around towards the bottom. Curve the bottom, coming down, and then up. And we'll fill the inside of the pupil. Let's draw the lower eyelid, curving up just underneath the pupil, and then back down. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw in the body. Let's start on the left side of the top eye, bend this out, and then up. Let's round out the corner, go up, and then bend that in towards the top. Now we want to go straight across the top, just lining up with the outside of the right eye. Going out. It's going to stop right about there. Let's bend the side, going out and in towards the same height we have on the left. And we'll angle this down and then in on top of the bottom eye. Let's go back to the left eye. We're going to step in, angle this down and then out to right about there. Curve the bottom, just pull that back in. Now let's flatten off the bottom, going all the way across with a straight line to right about there. Let's bend this out and up, all the way up toward the top. Let's round out the corner and just pull that in towards the side of the eye. Now I'm going to place the mouth along that center line. Let's start on the bottom left, draw a straight angle line going up towards the top. From the bottom, and down towards the bottom. Let's round this out. Now you want to follow that same angled line going up and then out. Let's round out the top and pull this down and round out that bottom corner. Let's separate the teeth. Starting from this line, go up in an angle, go up toward the top. I'm just going to flatten this off and bring that back down. Let's do that again. Going up, flatten off the end, continue up towards the top, and we want to come down and just continue that angle up toward the side of the mouth. Now let's fill the top and bottom of the eyelids with this turquoise green. Let's use this light cool gray and add a shadow across the bottom left. Just curving in behind the eye. Just gonna add a little point along the inside. We'll just continue to add that shadow across the bottom, go all the way across, and then bending that up towards the sides. Also adding a shadow along the bottom of the eyes. And once we're done coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color the letter Z from alphabet lore. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.